First, select all the text after you have finished typing. Okay, the first thing we will do is adjust the line spacing to 1.5. To do this, go to the Home menu, then click Line and Paragraph Spacing. Various spacing options will appear, and you should choose 1.5 line spacing. Next, we will set the font type and size. Still in the Home menu, click Font until various font options appear. Find and select the Times New Roman font. For the font size, you can adjust it next to the font settings by changing it to size 12. The last setting is the margin. Here, we will set the margins to the 4433 format, which means the left and top margins are 4 cm, while the right and bottom margins are 3 cm. To do this, go to the Page Layout menu, then click Margin and choose Custom Margin. A margin settings window will appear. Set the margins according to the sizes we specified, top and left to 4 cm, and bottom and right to 3 cm. After that, click OK to save the settings. So, it's easy, isn't it? I hope this tutorial will be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.